Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable autoplay in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Press Windows key plus I on your keyboard, or right-click the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Bluetooth and Devices in the sidebar. Click on Autoplay in the list. To disable autoplay, toggle the switch under Use Autoplay for all media and devices to off. To enable it, toggle the switch to on. You can also customize autoplay settings for different media types, such as removable drives and memory cards, by choosing the desired actions from the drop-down menus. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time. See you later.